So people, I actually got some reinforcement slash, I don't know, what would I call you? Jags. Jags come over to help me out with the car a little today. I was struggling with the exhaust and we basically ended up giving up on it. I'm gonna just get the car, we've got the car back on all four wheels now. We're gonna take it outside, wash it down as much as we can, power wash it, get rid of as much crap as we can from inside the arch bars and everything, and basically wait for that to get rid of most of the dirt and then take it off from there. So
what we do here is go back.
Go for it, man.
You want to stand here and then start doing that. Oh,
okay.
Actually, no, you might be trying that way. You're right.
See.
Stand up. So you
Yeah, go on. Just go crazy. Come on, Jax. This is after degreasing, people, so you're about to see just how different it all becomes. Now, actually silver now. I'm all alone again, and now I'm working on the 34 with my mask on. So people, now I'm actually got the Dremel out. I'm gonna try and get rid of some of the surface rust that's all over the car. It's in really small little areas. I've just got rid of a little bit that was just here. So I'm just gonna carry on getting rid of some. Got it all on pretty low speed. You can see this little area. Let's see where I can get it to. So everyone, right now for me, now that we've got everything degreased, it's the next day, but yo, we gotta get this thing done, and I'm hoping I can spend the whole day on this car today. So while it's still on all four wheels, what I'm gonna be looking at doing is stripping off anything else that I don't want on the car, like some of the bits at the front, getting rid of those, and then jacking the car as high up as I can get it. But this time it hopefully won't be coming back down until I have finished undersealing it. And yes, basically I was thinking of not undersealing the car because of the amount of surface rust underneath. I just didn't know if I wanted to go there or if I just wanted to paint it up and protect it for now. But I think, personally speaking, I should be able to strip it all off, get it to a really good position to underseal. Whereas before I was thinking, should I not, and then wait for me to send the whole shell to someone eventually in the future. But I think we should be able to get it done, so let's get started. This is what you always end up having to deal with, loads of faults like this, just sheared off in your, damn it, focus! Basically just like that. Did a quick little video of what the arches look like before I started doing this work. And this is kind of one of the bits of work that I've gone to with the side. Look how it looks now. It's gonna take a lot of work to get all this done, but gotta get to it. So everyone, I thought I'd keep you up to date with what's happening with the car right now. I've basically kind of started to give up, but not the way you guys would have expected it. So, just grab my drink. As it stands at the moment, the car has got a fair amount of rust underneath. Now when I say a fair amount, you guys have probably seen the video clips right now, where you can actually see just how much surface rust there is. Now most of it is surface rust, but the way I'm thinking about it right now is, do I want to keep working on the car the way it is and hope that the rust doesn't come back, or do I look at doing some rust treatment for now? So far it's looking pretty clean under here though, look at that. Got most of the little rust areas sanded down and off, so it's not too bad. It's just the underneath of the car, like I think it's worse on this side. Got a lot of the rust off so far, but still a lot to go. Still a lot. Yeah, you can kind of see the kind of areas I got to deal with right now. Probably could have done it all if I had someone else helping me. Alone. Show you guys what this side looks like so far. Again, really nice and clean under here. And got like a little bit of rust in that area just there. Got most of the rust off from here, just got little bits to go. It's really annoying corner areas. That corner is really annoying to get to. That's mostly just the dust though from all the rust that has been removed. Still got some to do up in this area, but look at how clean all that is. That's lovely. Lovely jubbly. Gotta treat some of the other rust areas. Gotta get done. This is the corner I haven't started on yet. You can kind of see how it ends up looking before you have any rust treatment done. So yeah, this one's, you can see how that area kind of looks over here. So much to do. I'm so tired of this. I can't figure out what I want to do. People, this is some seriously stressful work, because I don't want to just mask off the rust on the car. I don't want to be the kind of car that, like I could just sell on and whatnot and no one will ever realize or anything like that, because I do want the rust treated eventually. Even if it's not by me, if someone else buys the car, you know, you don't want to make their life any harder than it needs to be. So, man, people, don't know what I need to do. Is a rust converter, get what I say every time. Yeah, you know what, gonna need to go about it that way. I think I'm gonna have to return the undersill that I got and hopefully get the FE123, which is a rust converter. Just apply that on and just primer and seal everything else off that I've got. So we'll take it out one step at a time, people. Your boy Sean's got some issues with his car right now. Trying to figure out how to stick on his side parts nice and smoothly, but he's trying to do the getaway.
It's a bit hard, isn't it?
Yeah, stop sponsoring your company, yeah.
Need to send him to parts. You need
What's-
parts, fella.
Yeah, go speak to him. He'll sort you out. But right.
I think you should show them the front.
Yo, that's a good point. People haven't seen it with the new front end. Yo ho!
It's different.
I actually really like this front lip. So yeah, people, it's the new front lip on the car now. All black, everything. What's next in the car?
Sockets. And lower it.
Yeah, I'm gonna lower the car like once I'm finished with the garage and finished with my car, but right, should I actually carry on trying to figure out how to
Oh, looks very shiny. Looks really
yeah, looks real nice and clean.
definitely.
Yeah, but it's like dust, kind of dirt. It's like,
All over the bonnet.
can't even see on the camera.
Well, yeah, you can see it.
There you go.
Quick detailer.
So you need microfiber cloth, quick detailer. So good. Yeah, he's also sprayed these to match the rest of the paintwork. Might wrap them though, but I don't know, I think it looks quite good. Yeah, we gotta try and figure out how to do the other one in the back. Fun times. That's what I'm busy with right now. Still removing all the rust from all the areas. So, got lots to do. Check out the front springs as well. So I think I'm gonna remove the top wishbones and just bring that forward. Start removing as many any other bolts or anything like that I need to. Just get ready for paint. So at the moment, yeah, you can kind of see just how much I have had to grind away. Don't want to focus, there you go. Kind of see it all. Still got loads to do. But it's all good news because at the end of the day, it needs to be done for the car to keep it all looking legit. Look how clean that area is now after degreasing. People, seriously, take off your wheels at some point and just degrease this area because it's really good for the car. The amount of rubbish I took out, crazy. This area I'm quite happy with. Got a lot of the rust off. At the moment, just working on the interior of the car. I'm going to remove the rear springs now as well. Look how clean this area is. I'm rewiring everything as well so it goes in through nicely. You can see the power wire for the amp there. That's how I'm running the power wire. It's not connected right now, but it's going to come through here, straight, join up with here, come through, goes to that grommet there. It's going to run through the car all the way through here. Obviously it's going to be tucked away, it's not going to be there visible. Come through here and then go into the boot. And there it is at the end in the boot. So yeah, bit by bit. So these cores definitely look like, the cores look okay, but look at the covers for them, they look battered. So these suspension parts probably got a serious good amount of use, but I'll show you guys this area. You can see before and after of the degreasing. So that's after. That's not even a dirty area, but that was kind of how it looked before. So you guys can see it all for its glory. So I've just got a bit more rust removal going on here. Right, let's carry on removing stuff. So people, that's the new results now. It actually really matches the paint. You know what? On camera you can barely tell the difference.
Yeah.
So we just got it clamped up. Tiger seal. I'm gonna test it out with this one, and if it works out good, we'll do the rest and you'll be a happy guy. Are you gonna do them on your own now, or are you gonna come back here? Just come back around tomorrow, innit? We'll just do it again.
Yeah, that's fine.
Nice and chill.
It's flushing, man.
Yeah, man. And literally, I'm actually really impressed with the wrap. Like, the colour of it matches the bodywork like really nicely. That's what that. Chilling. So yeah, that's basically this part of the vlog right now, and I hope you guys enjoy watching it so far, me making my insane mistakes. So yeah guys, catch you in a bit.